child, my life, my only love. I hope you hear my aching heart. My broken wings are crumbling. So sad we had to part. I hope you're smiling somewhere out there, sending signs for your daddy to see. But I'm blind here in this darkness, and in your arms I'd rather be. They all tell me that I must be strong. They just need to see me standing here alone. But as long as you're gone, I can never go on. I'll just sit here and cry in a broken home. But as long as you're gone, I can never go on. I'll just sit here and cry for you. You just never had the time to find your ways and shine. But as long as I live, I'll have memories to give. I'll always be proud you were mine. Somewhere in the future, together we will be. Just give me strength and wait for me. Somewhere in the future, together we will be. Just give me strength and wait for me. Just